Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the lockdown chastity cage in the size large. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in this lockdown chastity cage set. Now this is the chastity cage itself, shown here in the size large, but it's also available in the sizes small and medium as well. Now, if you're ready for an exciting bondage experience, then the lockdown chastity cage makes it impossible for the wearer to get an erection. The cage can even be worn multiple days in a row for intense foreplay. At the front of the chastity cage, it allows the wearer to urinate without removing the cage. This great set comes with 5 rings in different sizes, ranging from 4.5 centimeters in diameter to 6.5 centimeters. It also contains a metal padlock and keys with the lockdown logo on there, and various other padlocks as well. The plastic locks can be cut off with scissors after use. The unique numbers on the padlocks ensure that the wearer cannot secretly remove the chastity cage and put on a new padlock after wearing without getting caught. Please note, we would recommend to remove the chastity cage before going to sleep in order to prevent injuries and discomfort. Now, when using this chastity cage, we would recommend to put some water-based lubricant on your penis and in the chastity cage for the ultimate comfort during use. Please make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the lockdown chastity cage in the size large. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.